If you run a personal chef or catering business, just you, or you and a few hands, we built 3 tools just for you. All 3 live on Etsy at NicheToolkits. All open on your laptop. No install, no subscription. Your client and menu data stays on your machine. Let's walk through them. First, the Personal Chef Business Toolkit, $17.97. The ready-to-use paperwork that runs your private client work from day one. Feasible PDFs and Excel files with the formulas built in. 6 ready-to-use files, the forms and trackers you reach for on every client. Set up once, used on repeat. Inside, dietary profiles for allergies and preferences per client, a pricing calculator for hourly and flat rates, and a weekly meal planner across every client you cook for. Plus a grocery tracker that prices each client's shop and tracks reimbursements, and a rebooking tracker that flags overdue clients before they go quiet. It is built for every personal chef model, weekly meal prep, private in-home dinners, and standing recurring clients. Second, the Catering Business Toolkit, also $17.97. When the personal chef work turns into a full event, this is the paperwork that runs it. 8 files, 0 setup. It centers on the BEO, the Banquet Event Order, the catering industry's standard event document, built feasible so every dish, timing, and detail lives in one place. A pricing calculator that quotes any event in under a minute, so you stop underbidding and start protecting your margin. A catering service agreement that locks in scope, headcount, deposits, and cancellation terms before you load a single tray. From load-in to breakdown, your whole team works from the same plan, instead of scraps of paper and a string of group texts. Third, the Personal Chef Business in a Box, $147. The complete operating system for a personal chef business, the playbook, the forms, the pricing, and the marketing in one download. It starts with an operations playbook, your pricing method, the client journey from first inquiry to standing weekly gig, and a 30, 60, 90-day launch plan. A full forms pack, client intake and dietary questionnaire, service agreement, menu proposal, invoice, and follow-up, editable and ready to send. A working pricing calculator, your cost per meal, your hourly and per client rates, grocery markup, and the margin you actually keep. A marketing starter, social captions, email and text templates, and a plan to land your first standing clients without paying for ads. Plus a hiring and training SOP for when you bring on a sous chef and a local SEO kit so the right clients find you. Everything you need to run the business, not just cook the food. One zip, yours forever. 3 tools for personal chefs and caterers. The Chef Toolkit runs your weekly clients. The Catering Toolkit runs your events. The Business in a Box runs the whole company. $182.94 for the full set. Or pick where you are and grow into the rest. All at NicheToolkits on Etsy. Browser-based. One-time payment. Yours forever. Find us. Search NicheToolkits.